Hello, my name is Mitja and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to add movement to your synth lead sounds. If you are composing a song in the EDM genre, it's essential that you make your most important elements prominent. Typically, beginners tend to add as many elements as possible into their leads in order to make them sound bigger. Instead of stacking one MIDI pattern over and over, I will show you how to make a bigger leads using a different method in the following tutorial. Let's start with a short sequence I created in a SoundBridge DAW, which contains the majority of the full mix elements. As you can see, I made the first layer of the synth lead using 1/8 notes. The second layer is a copy of the first layer, but instead of 1/8 notes, I made a faster rhythm by using 1/16 notes. By doing so, I was able to add movement to the overall synth lead sound without having to stack the same MIDI pattern over and over. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.